about how can you get upgrade on your Pandora app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Just click here on upgrade here. So when you just click on it, just switching to open with you here. So then here it's going to show for you like this. Can you get 1 month here for free? Just click on it. Then it's going, or here can you get Pandora Plus, and here Pandora Premium here. When you just click on it here, so you click on get 1 more day free here. So then here it's going to show for you a list here to add your credit or card here to get your premium. Can you add PayPal or add cards or redeem your code? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.